Ram Narayan Ram. Why should personal ownership rights be removed? Let me explain this to you today. Whatever tax money the government receives, let's say the government gets 100 rupees, then 40 goes to security, military, and police, and 40 goes to IS officers, IPS officers, ministers, and MLAs for their food, drinks, and electricity. So, 60 of it is consumed by them. 3 is stolen from the government money, and I don't want to say who steals it, the government knows that. The remaining 25 is supposed to be given to 150 crore people, but even that doesn't reach them fully. It is also stolen state by state in between. So, the people of India only get 20 instead of 100 of the money. If personal ownership rights are removed, people will get the full amount. If personal ownership rights are removed from the entire country, there will be no need for police and military. One caste, one religion, one family will be formed. The earth is one, but there is so much debate, so much religion and personal ownership that everything gets ruined. This should not happen. Therefore, the faster personal ownership rights are removed, the better. We should have one country, one religion, and one life. Anyone who meditates for at least 2 hours before sleeping every night will not get sick. Meditation will cure a person's illness, cancer will be cured. No disease will remain. I have an example from Kolkata. My guru told me about a child who had blood cancer. He was called Nandu Datto. My guru made him chant the name of Ram and he meditated. Now he didn't need to change his blood. Today, he is married and has children. He also has a medical report. So, meditation removes the weakness from the body, removes illness and removes weakness. All bad thoughts inside the body go away. Therefore, everyone should meditate. People should remove personal ownership and meditate. When I was young, I was taught in school that there was a king named Babur, and he had a son named Humayun, who had a severe illness. A sage told him, "Look, give him your energy, speak with your mind, speak from the heart, and take away Humayun's illness." That is exactly what happened. Babur walked around Humayun and said, "We will take all your problems." As a result, Babur got sick, and Humayun became healthy. He also became a king. This is in history, and everyone knows about it. This is possible. This is in the system of the earth, and it is within humans. Every person can help another person. They can help, give love, and end all wars. There is a war happening on earth in Arab countries. Russia is listening to Modi's words, and the Sanatan Dal is also guiding. Modi knows what to do. You all should support Modi and Yogi. The people of India should vote for them, and they will become your servants and help you. There will be one language, Bengali. The book that Mahaguruji left for us, we have converted it into Hindi and English, and we have kept it. People will run to West Bengal to learn from it. Is there any honor in the sky? Have you ever seen the sun say, "I will not give sunlight today because I am the owner"? The sun is a worker, a servant. Then why do the presidents and ministers on earth say, "I am a servant"? They say, "In our rule, good things have happened." But I ask, whose rule is it? The rule belongs to nature. So, is there any political party or minister who has a rule? Where did the owner come from on earth? There is no owner in the sky, no owner of the sun, no owner of the air, no owner of the water, and no owner of the earth. If the earth says, "Get off my body," where will we go? If the sky says, I will not give oxygen, and if the water says, I will not give water, think about what will happen to the earth. They have come as slaves, but if they become thinkers, the air for the people of the earth will become tight. Therefore, personal ownership should not remain. Look at the sky and nature, listen to what they say, and love them. We are born from them, and we are made of the same things. The sky, water, soil, air, sun, and earth, all these 5 elements make up our body. People have been born on earth as gods with one religion, which is the religion of life. All people are born crying, regardless of the religion they belong to. We are all one and should live together. Therefore, personal ownership should be removed.